Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income, but finding good affiliate marketing platforms is a pain in the butt. And that's why we're here to highlight an untapped opportunity: affiliate marketing on Quora. Hi, my name is Jonathan Nunez. I am the CEO and co-founder of the Marketing Project. I've been using Quora for branding, lead generation, and selling products since 2019. During that time, I've written over 2,000 Quora answers, and I've helped build dozens of business profiles for clients, generating thousands of views, leads, and sales per month. So today, I'll teach you a system that works wonderfully for selling affiliate products. But before we do that, there's something you have to know to effectively use Quora for affiliate marketing, and that's Quora's position on affiliate marketing on their platform. According to Quora, a user should disclose any relevant affiliations explicitly in the answer or in the credential that appears with the answer, and affiliate links are not allowed. Quora is very clear on their position and they don't make exceptions. So if affiliate links are not allowed on the platform, then how can we use Quora for affiliate marketing? And it's actually pretty simple. Answers with affiliate links are collapsed or removed, but most of the time they're collapsed, which means that as long as they are not deleted, we can promote them. And that's the key here. Organic campaigns with affiliate links are not allowed, but promoting answers with affiliate links is possible. All you have to do is adhere to their advertising policies and you should be fine. So, what do you need to get started? Well, to be honest, there are not that many things you need to start promoting affiliate products. All you need is to ensure your accounts are safe. And here's what you need to do to get this right. First thing you need is a Quora user account that you will use for writing affiliate answers and nothing else, okay? So this is exclusively for affiliate marketing, and that's it. The second thing you need is a Quora user account to open an ads account and promote answers. And the last thing you need is an answer that solves a problem with the product you want to promote. As you can see, there's not much you need, but you still need to make sure you have the right questions and answers for promotion. We actually have a video that shows you how to write amazing Quora answers, so watch it before you create your content for promotion. The link is in the description. Now, let's talk about how to use Quora promoted answers for affiliate marketing. Simply put, promoted answers are an ad type that allows you to boost the distribution of your answers on Quora. And when you promote an answer, you grant it a wider distribution. This means that it can be shown to more people who seek information or solutions related to your affiliate products. And this increased visibility improves your chances of driving traffic and generating conversions. But here's the thing. To make the most of Quora promoted answers, it's essential to write compelling and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Now, let's be completely honest here. Affiliate success on Quora depends on choosing the right products, and it's crucial to select products that align with your target audience and offer significant commissions. One of the key factors to consider is product quality. So avoid using products from platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other random marketplace known for low quality products. Now, on those platforms, there are actually some products that are good, but most of them, honestly, the quality is just not good enough, and you're just going to spend a bunch of money on ads and then just waste it. So avoid those. Focus on companies that are known already in the industry for paying good commissions and for high quality products. Okay, a great product could be something you use for work and that makes your life easier, or it could be something that saves you time and money. Also, try to focus on digital products. Those tend to have a higher commission and they make it easier to profit with this model. Now, after you find the product you want to promote, you need to choose the right question for promotion. So choosing a Quora answer that caters to the middle and the bottom of the funnel is key here, okay? So these are the stages where prospects are considering your options and are closer to buying. Consideration questions play a vital role at this stage. These questions address specific concerns or comparisons between different products and services. So if you use these types of questions for promotion, I guarantee you'll increase sales. Now, here are some keywords you should focus on to find the right questions. Best, which is or which are, how do I, what tool, and what product. For example, some of the questions you could find include like, which are the best tools to find a leaking pipe? Which are the best tools for bloggers? Which are the best writing tools for grammar checking? Which are the best online tools for teachers? Anyway, you get the idea. Now, the next step is researching your Quora answer. Now, this is a crucial step to ensure that your response is informative, it addresses people's concerns, and it aligns with your business goals. One key aspect of the research process is understanding the concerns and questions users have. For example, if you analyze existing answers and comments, and you look at what people are searching for on Google, you'll get a better idea of what people are looking for. And after that, you'll be able to provide relevant information to help them go down the buyer's journey. Another crucial aspect of researching your Quora answers is creating an answer outline. With an outline, you can cover all the necessary information logically. We have a video that shows you how to write an outline, so watch it before answering the Quora question. The link's in the description. Okay, the next step is writing your Quora answers. When you write Quora answers, strategic thinking is key to getting maximum visibility. Quora as a platform aims to provide the best answers for information seekers. So how can you make your answers stand out? Well, first and foremost, make sure you understand the question being asked. Take your time to read it carefully and ensure you understand what the user is looking for. This will allow you to provide a targeted and relevant response. The way you ensure this is with research. You know, the previous step? Yes, is that important. So make sure you rewatch that section of the video if you need to. Now, step number 5 is opening a Quora profile for promotion. Opening a dedicated Quora profile for affiliate promotion is essential because Quora can ban or delete accounts at any time without prior notice. So this is essentially a throwaway account dedicated to affiliate promotion. The idea behind this approach is that if the account gets banned, it won't have a significant impact on your online presence and business. Having said that, relying on throwaway accounts is not sustainable in the long term. Building a genuine profile to build relationships on Quora is much better in the long run. So just have that in mind. Now, step number 6 is optimizing your profile for affiliate promotion. Now, you need to spend much time optimizing your profile, but it's important to at least make it look good to ensure that people can see it as coming from an actual person. So take your time to add highlights, write a compelling bio, add accomplishments, add relevant experience, and complete your knows about section. This will help Quora understand what topics you know about to ensure your profile appears in relevant search results. Also, it should decrease the odds of Quora deleting your account. Okay, we're almost done, I promise. Step number 7 is publishing your content. But before you hit publish, do one last review for any potential issues or violations of Quora guidelines. Ensure your answer aligns with the platform's policies to avoid deletion. We're already infringing on Quora's Q&A's policy, so we don't want to give them any more reasons to delete our content and our account. Now, if your answer gets deleted, take this as an opportunity to improve your response. Rewrite your answer addressing any concerns or violations that led to its removal. Make all the necessary changes to improve your content quality and relevance. And once you successfully publish an answer, save the link to your affiliate answer. This link will be necessary when creating a promoted answers campaign. Now, step number 8 is opening a Quora profile for personal use. And this has to be a real account, not an affiliate account, okay? So the reason for this is because this account will be linked to your ads account, so you have to ensure that it complies with all of Quora's terms of service. And after that, proceed with step number 9, which is opening a Quora ads account. This process is very simple. All you have to do is log into your Quora main account, right? This is not your affiliate profile. This is the one that you opened for yourself. And then head to business.quora.com and click Get Started. After that, it's just a matter of completing Quora's process until you get access to their dashboard. That's it. The process is very straightforward, so you shouldn't have any issues. And once you get access to the dashboard, you'll be able to proceed with step number 10. This step is all about creating an ad campaign to promote your answers. So just focus on middle of the funnel content and target audiences who are already aware of their needs and actively seek solutions. One piece of advice I can give you right now is create multiple campaigns and test different audiences, locations, and types of audience selection. By that I mean by questions, by location, by search history, that kind of stuff. And once you're done with that, try retargeting them. Create another ad set that focuses on other aspects of your product to increase conversions. A lot of people don't buy right away, so take your time to nurture your prospects. And the last step is analysis. Creating an effective ad campaign is about experimentation and optimization. So to truly optimize your campaign, continuously refine your approach based on data insights. This could involve adjusting targeting parameters, ad creatives, or even exploring other ad formats that show promising results. Now, the key here is to never settle. Remember that consumer preferences and market dynamics are constantly changing, so it's crucial to stay agile and adapt accordingly. Alright, I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions about the process, leave them down below and I will do my best to help. And if you want more Quora marketing content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm sure you'll find our content helpful.